Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Monopoly Go crashing issues on startup. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, check that you have the latest version of Monopoly Go installed. An outdated app can lead to compatibility issues that cause crashes on startup. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store, and if an update is available, install it. Next, clear the app's cache and data. On Android devices, go into your settings, select apps, find the Monopoly Go game, and then tap Clear Cache. On iOS, since there isn't a direct cache clearing option, you will have to uninstall the app and reinstall it again from the App Store. This will remove any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the crash. Also, make sure your device operating system is up to date and that you have enough free memory and storage available. Low storage or outdated system software can contribute to app instability. Close any unnecessary background apps to free up system resources and then restore your device. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.